Kingspan is a global company with multiple sites around the world. This is the Sherburn site, specialising in insulated panels and structural steel solutions. In operation since 1965, they currently have around 350 employees at this facility alone. This is the Elcon TITAN vertical panel saw, specifically designed to meet the growing demand for off-site construction. The Titan offers increased cutting depth for structurally insulated panels. Kingspan contacted UK distributors Daltons looking for a sawing solution to cut cementitious board, insulation and SIP panels up to 150mm thick. Unrivaled in the industry, Elcon's reliable construction provides increased cutting capacity with an impressive cutting accuracy of 0.1mm per metre. As standard, it is fitted with a powerful 5.5 kilowatt motor and pneumatic rotation of the saw head. Effective dust extraction is vital to operator health, especially when cutting cementitious board. Elcon's patented and award-winning Limpio dust system has been designed to mitigate operator exposure by capturing dust from both in front and behind the panel throughout the cutting process. Vertical panel saws are generally considered one of the safest panel sizing methods available when used by trained operators. The Elcon Titan goes further and includes a series of electronic safety systems that monitor the machine's saw beam position and head tilt orientation. The machine will not start if it's not correctly set. For Kingspan, safety, accuracy and durability are key. At busy times, the Titan operates on a double shift, 16 hours a day, 5 days a week. On larger projects, this can increase significantly. A number of optional features are available to refine the machine to bespoke user requirements. These include programmable setting with intuitive touchscreen control, automatic cutting cycle, laser line cutting indicator, and variable blade speed. To discuss your panel sawing requirements, or to arrange a working demonstration, contact Daltons. Thanks for watching.